If the Hulu website or web player won't load, or the app won't play videos or fails to load correctly, then the Hulu service may be down. Determining whether the service is up or down is easy, so this should be your first step. Check social media first, as people tend to report streaming service outages quickly. To confirm this, select a random show on the media library and play it on your device. If the same error occurs, it means that the entire platform is faulty. If your device supports it, fully close the Hulu app and then open it again. In some cases, the only way to do this is to power down the streaming device and unplug it until it resets. To fix this, close your current session by logging out of your account and wait for several minutes before signing in. On Android and iOS, you can log out of your Hulu account by doing the steps below. Go to your app drawer and tap on Hulu to launch the app. After that, tap on your profile located on the bottom navigation bar. Finally, tap on Log Out to exit your session. First, open the Hulu website using your preferred search browser. Point the mouse cursor to your profile afterward to access the drop-down menu. Lastly, click on Log Out to close your session. Once done, wait for 2 to 3 minutes before accessing your account to allow your user data to reset. Hulu requires a minimum internet speed of 3 megabits per second to enjoy its platform without issues. For 4K UHD content, your network should have at least 16 megabits per second of bandwidth to load the movie or TV show. If Hulu freezes when you're watching movies, it may indicate that your network is running slow. Run a speed test using fast.com to confirm if your internet connection is the problem. Restart your router if the test result shows that your internet connection is the problem. Locate your router's power cable and unplug it from the wall outlet for at least 10 seconds. After that, plug back in the power cord to reboot your network router. Once done, run another test to check if the restart worked. If your network is still unstable, contact your ISP and ask them to address the issue or arrange an upgrade if your current plan is below 3 megabits per second. First, open your preferred browser and press the Ctrl+H keys on your keyboard. Inside the History tab, click on Clear Browsing Data on the side menu. After that, a separate tab should open on your browser. Click on Time Range and select All Time from the menu. Lastly, ensure that caches and cookies are included in the process and click the Clear Data button. To fix this, download Malwarebytes on your device and run the full system scan tool. This will scan your entire storage for malware and other viruses and automatically remove them from your system without lifting a single finger. On your device, tap on the Settings app to launch it. After that, go to the Apps tab and tap on Hulu. Lastly, access the Storage tab and hit the Clear Data button. First, open the Google Play Store on your device and tap on My Apps and Games from the side menu. After that, find Hulu from the list of applications with pending updates. Lastly, tap the Update button next to Hulu to install the latest version. On your device, tap on the App Store to launch it. Now, tap on your profile to access the list of applications with a newer version available. Finally, locate Hulu from the list and tap the Update button. First, Open your application drawer and locate Hulu. Tap and hold its app icon until the selection screen shows up. Now, tap on Uninstall to delete the app. Lastly, launch the Google Play Store on your device and reinstall Hulu from there. On your home screen, press and hold the Hulu app until the options menu shows up. After that, tap on Remove App to uninstall the application. Finally, go to the App Store on your device and reinstall Hulu.